Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice equation 3 to the power b plus b is equal to 30. So how to solve this equation? Okay, so let's start. 3 to the power b will be equal to 30 minus b. Fine. So if we rearrange 30 minus b is equal to 3 to the power b. Right? If we divide both the sides by 3 to the power b. So 30 minus b over 3 to the power b, here only 1. Right? Now in next step 30 minus b and this as 3 to the power minus b is equal to 1. Fine. Now 30 minus b into 3 to the power minus b. If we multiply both the sides by 3 to the power 30. 3 to the power 30 because here 30, right? So in next step 30 minus b 3 to the power 30 minus b, right, is equal to 3 to the power 30. Fine. Now 30 minus b and in place of 3 we will write e to the power natural logarithm or ln 3, right? So in place of 3 we can write this to the power 30 minus b is equal to 3 to the power 30. Here we have written because e to the power L and a natural logarithm of a is equal to a, right? So e to the power ln 3 will be equal to 3, right? So in place of 3 we have written this. Fine. Now 30 minus b. If we multiply both the sides by ln 3, here also 3 to the power 30 into ln 3 and this part also e to the power, here we can write 30 minus b ln 3, right? Now 30 minus b ln 3 e to the power 30 minus b ln 3 is equal to, here 3 to the power 30, 3 to the power 3 into ln 3 into 3 to the power 27, right? This can be break as this and this, right? Now 30 minus b ln 3 e to the power 30 minus b ln 3 is equal to, here 27 ln 3, again 3 in place of 3 we can write e to the power ln 3, right? So in place of 3 e to the power ln 3 to the power 27. Fine. So 30 minus b ln 3 into e to the power 30 minus b ln 3 is equal to here 27 ln 3, and this can be written as e to the power 27 ln 3. Fine. Now we will use Lambert W function. Right? So W a e to the power a is equal to a. Right? Now this and this W 30 minus b ln 3 into e to the power 30 minus b ln 3 is equal to W 27 ln 3 e to the power 27 ln 3. Right? Now a e to the power a, here a e to the power a. Right? And same way a e to the power a. Right? So we can write here this part a, and here a. Right? So 30 minus b ln 3 is equal to 27 ln 3. Right? Now this and this get cancelled out. So 30 minus b is equal to 27. Fine. So b is equal to 3. Right? So this is our required result. Right? Okay friends, thank you.